Hey guys, Eric here with the Savvy Campers. So we have our new trailer here, as you guys may know, and we've got an issue. Not really an issue, but just kind of something that bugs us. So here's the keys that came with it. We've got one key for the pass-through storage. We've got one key for the front door. We've got one key for the back baggage pass-through door. We've got a universal 751 key for the outdoor kitchen. And then we've got another lock key for the lithium batteries. So our goal is to, we want to provide better security because some of these are universal. As you guys may know, the 751 key has been around for a long time and it's very universal on lots of trailers. So we want to get rid of that, but also we want to have less keys. So what we're going to end up with is we're going to end up with a baggage pass-through key. We're going to end up with a key for the lithium batteries for that padlock, and then we're going to end up with a key for everything else, the front door, the back door, and then this. So let's go ahead and get started on replacing this cam lock. So first off, as always, we're going to get our tools. So we've got our Klein 11-in-1 that we love for the trailer, and then we've got a little Husky wrench. So let's go ahead and get the old lock off. As you can see, it's just a keyhole here, and then with a latch on the back. So we're going to go ahead and dismantle that. So for that, we're going to start with a screwdriver and take this cam mechanism off. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and put the screw back on so we don't lose it. All right. Next, we're going to go ahead and use our wrench and just loosen it up. Then we've got a washer here to pull off. And then we can go ahead and push it out. So you can see it's as easy as that to remove. Okay, so now that we've got the cam lock taken off, we're going to go ahead and we pulled this little sleeve for fitment off of our old one, and we're going to slide it on this new one, and that makes sure that it fits in that hole really well and tight. So we'll go ahead and check the fitment now. There we go, it's good. If you don't use that, you are going to have issues. And someone can just come and turn it and unlock it. So we're going to go ahead and actually use some parts from our old one. So we're going to use this nice big fat metal washer, and as well as the washer the plastic one that came with it. So sometimes it's nice to just use the old stuff. So we'll go ahead and stick that through the hole. Okay. Then we'll go ahead and use the plastic washer and the metal washer. Let's actually use the metal one. Oop. Then we'll go ahead and tighten this up really well. Tighten it by hand, and then we'll go through and okay, so now we've got something. This is really tight. Someone can't come and turn it. And then we're going to go ahead and use the cam lock. Let's see, the old one won't work. So we'll put the new one on. And we want to make sure that the key is the way that we want it to be locked. So we'll go ahead and we want it to be up and down when it's locked. Then we will take this nut, screw it on, then we'll tighten it up. Okay, unlock it, lock it. There we go. So here's what that's going to look like. So we've got these that actually hold it shut. This holds it locked. These latches hold it shut and tight. Then we can take our key, unlock it, and there we go. And that's how we install the RV lock cam lock system. This is going to be great because now we're whittling down our keys. So thanks for watching. We'll have a link down in the description for you guys. And stay tuned for the rest of the series where we go through and replace the rest of the locks. Thanks for watching. See you later.